Hi, this is JD, and welcome to GetMoreTechier.com. Today we're going to talk about how to bring two values together from cells, two or more actually, values from cells in Excel. So in my example today, I have a small spreadsheet of my favorite action stars. So I have Arnold and Clint and Bruce, their first and last name, as you can see right here. And the problem I want to solve is I really don't want to retype all this, and I want to keep first name and last name in separate fields. So I have this, awesome database of action stars. So the way we bring these things together is through a command called Concatenate, which now I'm going to show you how to use. So I've, A4 and B4, as you can see, this is the first name and last name of Arnold. And in D4, what I'm going to do is try to bring them together into one. And the formula you use to do that is the concatenate formula. So what I want to concatenate is the value in A4, and you put a comma between every value and the value in B4. And when I press enter, here's what happens. So as you can see, I don't have a space, I just have Arnold Schwarzenegger, but fortunately I know how to use concatenate and I can solve this. So I'm going to go in and edit my formula. I'm going to add another value in between A4 and B4, and it's just going to be a space with quotes around it. So when you want to add text, you just add it inside double quotes. So as you see, I added a comma. So I have three things that I'm concatenating together: the value in A4, a text value inside quotes that's a space, comma, and then the value in B4. So now when I press enter, I get Arnold space Schwarzenegger. And I'm going to drag and copy that down because I want to do that for Clint and Bruce too. There's Clint. There's Bruce. So we'll show you how to do something really fancy. So that's the basics. That might be enough to get you going. Hopefully it is. And what if you want to do one more thing? What if they're want to read three things together, or get a little fancier with the text that you inject as like kind of a text template? So what if I want to make a statement about how what I think their best movie was? I of course got to get the data in here. I should wrap text on these so you can see them. I'm sorry. There we go. And I'm not sure if Die Hard is one word or two, but I'm going to go with one, just so I get it more quickly done. So same deal. And now in this E4, I'm gonna basically put together a concatenation formula to do something a little fancier. Concatenate. I want to take A4, comma, and then do the same thing I did before with a space in between the first and last name. And then the last name I'm going to get out of B4, and then comma. And then I'm going to do something tricky. I'm going to put a single quote and an S. And then I'm going to say best movie is space, quote, and then another comma, and then the value in C4. So as you can see by looking at it, inside of quotes I put this entire value. There's the start of the quotes. I put an apostrophe S, so after the name, this first name space last name, there's going to be an apostrophe S space, best movie is space, and then the end quote. So that whole thing is single quotes, or double quote start, double quote end, another comma, and then I'm going to do C4. So if you think of every separate thing you've got to do and just put comma between it, there's a lot you can do with it. Oops, I got to wrap that too, sorry. There you go. Arnold Schwarzenegger's best movie is Terminator. Let's make sure I let everybody know how I feel about Clint and Bruce as well. Clint's best movie. So as you can see, I started with three values. In the end, I ended up with three values: the first name, last name, and what I think their best movie was. I was able to build a full name field with a simple concatenation with first name, space, and a last name, and then I was able to build a complete sentence with a statement, with a template that included the first name, space, last name, a single quote, best movie is, and then the C4, the column 4 value of Terminator. So I hope that helps you get going, and thanks again for visiting GetMoreTechier.com. Talk to you soon.